What is going on, my party people? Aloha and happy Mother's Day to all the mothers and expecting mothers on this lovely, beautiful, yes, I said beautiful Sunday evening. Shout out to everybody who tuned in for Hon.Hi. We got a double header banger coming up for you next week. Caramel Wonder, also known as Danny, versus 410 Be More, as well as Chill Town versus the Retro Whiz Kid in the building. If you're new family member Ohana, welcome to the channel, and as always, welcome to everybody who always comes back to the channel. And as you can see, I have a very dope shirt on today. Baby girl Aaliyah, still the princess of R&B. I don't care what y'all say. Gone just way too soon. Also, don't forget to go and subscribe to the home team. 313 Retro Queen, MCFLYKOF, PMKICKZ, all in the building. You feel me? And we on our little road. We almost at 7K. We getting there gradually. We approaching that 6.6 mark. So we need to tell a family member, a friend of a friend, we need to get Emoneyshoes to 7K. And also go subscribe to the Hon.Hi channel, because on that one we're trying to get it to 500 so we can build the channel slowly but gradually. Can y'all do that for me? Can y'all do that? If I got 6, if I can just get even a quarter of the people over there, it will be greatly appreciated. Again, that is Hon.Hi. Now, enough of my ranting and begging. We about to get into this review. Cop these from Champs, Alamoana. Shout out to all of them, because I heard it's supposed to be an all-white summer. So I don't know where it came from, but I heard it's supposed to be an all-white summer, so take it easy. Get your all-white shoes while you can. Air Force One supposed to be in high demand. So with that being said, bang, a size 10.5 Air Jordan 1 low on deck. And y'all already know the one low is a hater to love it. People sitting on the fence on this shoe for a suggested retail price of $90. You can't go wrong with the Air Jordan 1 low. Official colorway is white. Simple, right? White. 10.5 men's. If you wanted to get it in the ladies, it would be, you add another 1.5 to that. That would be a size 12 in ladies. All right. So you got your RF code and all that, style code 553, 558, 130, all that stuff. I use my military discount. So I got it for about $80 on that. I didn't even try them on. We open it up. You see that nice crispy paper, because I wanted to share it with the family. You got your stamp around. I don't know if you can see it up there. And you open it up. Just crispy white. That's all you can see is white on white on white, and it is tumbled. It's just white on white on white. It is tumbled, and bang! Look at that. So white, so lovely. Should I do a lace swap? Fresh out the box. You gotta get that smell. Look at that. That is nice. Look at that. You see that old wrinkle, stankle, tumble, rumble in the shoe. I mean, this might drive people crazy, but it's an all-white shoe, so ain't much you can do, right? It's white on white on white, no patent leather. You see that old wrinkle, stankle, football, basketball leather right there. Perforated holes, 23. On the tongue, you got your nylon with your Air Jordan. Coming around this side, you see you got that more stankle wrinkle leather on the side panels. Oh man, got a stain in the butt. Oh my gosh. This is why you gotta check your shoes thoroughly, people. This is why you gotta check your shoes. Look at that. Do you see it? Look at that. Look at that. Do you see that? Oh, hopefully it's showing up good on the camera. But it's like a yellowish brown. I don't know if y'all can see it because of my camera. But you can't see it, but I can see it, and I am pissed to the highest level of festivity. Oh, gosh. I don't know if you can see. I hope they show up on the camera, but this is why you don't. This is sometimes where you got to do the stuff indoors, but you should be able to see it. This is all white, and this has got a little brown. Oh, man. Yep. Definitely got to take it back. This side got a little bit too. Not as bad, but, you know, you got to pay, you know, stuff like that. When you pay your hard-earned money, don't matter if it's $80, $90, $200, $500, you expect it to be A1. God done it, A1. And this is not A1. This is A foo-foo. Pisses me off right now. Okay, you got your shoe tree. 10, 10 and a half, like so. Sock liner. You see the sock liner all white, so you got to wear those white socks, right? You don't want to have sock bunnies. Production date is 10/28/20, 12/29/20. So roughly about 2 months. And you got your QR code, all of that good stuff. So it's just like I said, it's an all white shoe. And come around, like I said, pretty much on the medial side, everything. You just got tumble, rumble, old, wrinkle, stankle, the leather in the toe, not bad. But my video is ruined because I didn't check it. Got to be more careful. So, with that being said, oh yeah. With that being said, on a little meter, let me try to be objective as possible. For the price, for the quality, for the principalities, for the festivity, I'm going to give this about a 4.5 out of 5. Yeah, 4.5 out of 5. Don't hold me to that. You guys let me know what you think on the shoe, on the matter. But 4.5 out of 5, like I said. So other than that, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment, all of that good stuff. So until the next video, Emoneyshoes. Have a great weekend. Stay blessed. I'm out. Peace.